how can we really grow a brand if we're not willing to grow ourselves? Branding is more than those aesthetics. It's the embodied essence of who you are that influences everything that you do on a daily basis.
This was really informational from Zach. I really loved how the workshop had the sit-down moment where you can go through these, organize them, and then really focus and pull out your top 4 to start really kind of understanding yourself. It was awesome. One, because it validated a lot of information that I already know, but it helped me know that I was on track. And like, everything is so important for brands, in my opinion, because you can't really build much else of your business without understanding the identity and personality of your brand.
But the funny thing is, if you look at a lot of these large corporate brands, a lot of these large corporate brands actually try to do their best to be more like us. How do we be more like the small folks? How do we communicate? How do we bring people in that we can value?
He did a great job making it fun and interactive, just easy to understand. I feel like we kind of all get lost in what everybody else is doing. I think it really brought some clarity and focus to what my true values are.
Like I said, I was kind of building a brand with no soul. I lost my values. My vision was actually building towards someone else's path.
Wonderful use of my lunchtime, and I appreciate everybody.